ma'am. This is Shravanti, first year in degree final year in TSWRDC Women's Jagadish Gupta. Now I am going to explain Microsoft. In that I am explaining Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows. Excel contains rows and columns. Excel supports charts, graphs or histograms. It features calculating, graphing tools, pivot tables and a microprogramming language called VBA. VBA is nothing but Visual Basic for Applications. Excel allows you to store, organize and analyze information. And now I am going to share my screen. How to open Excel and what might be there in Excel. Now I am sharing my screen. First of all, how to open Excel. All programs, go to Start and in this choose Excel, double click it. This blank document is nothing but workbook or worksheet. Double click it. The Excel sheet will open and this page is nothing but quick access toolbar. And this file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, this is nothing but ribbon tabs. And this space is nothing but name box. And this space is known as formula bar. The combination of rows and columns are known as cell. This is cell. This is cell. And horizontal lines are nothing but rows and vertical lines are known as columns. This is known as sheet tab. If you want to add more sheet, press on this plus symbol. This is known as zoom slider. Zoom it. If you want to choose at a time these rows and columns, go to this left corner and press it. All will select. If you want to remove, click on any cell, that will remove. And if you want to select a row, with the help of this plus symbol, drag like this, the row will select. If you want to select a column, with the help of this plus symbol, drag like this, the column will select. And thank you for giving this opportunity.